Today we are going to be going over what I got for sewing on Amazon Prime Days. I am so happy to be doing this video today for Amazon Prime Days. I saw there was lots of different things that you could order, and basically I got two things. There was also a third item, which was some like sewing pattern drafting rulers, but I ended up not going with those. I will find the two items that I did buy and I will link them in the description box in case you are interested as well. But with that said, let's get started and see how everything looks. I will be sure to put another video up in a few weeks after I use everything, just to let you know if the quality was good and was it worth buying it. Okay, so the first item that we will look at is this tinier little box. So this is the Tailor's Chalk Seam Ripper Sewing Quilting Clips Kit Professional Sewing Toolkit. It includes sewing fabric, markers, tools, seam ripper, and thread remover. So this I ended up getting for $11.99 on Prime Day. It currently is $14.99, so there was a discount. So when I open this box, what I see is that I do have some seam rippers. So I have 4 seam rippers. They're all different colors. Looks really nice. Next, I have a smaller box. So this is the Tailor's Chalk. It appears it's 10 pieces. So when I open this up, a little challenging. There we go. Yeah, so it's 10 different pieces of chalk, 10 different pieces with 4 different colors. We have blue, pink, yellow, and then a beige. So that's really nice as well. And then also in here, so first we have this little tin, which I feel like this is the like quintessential sewing tin. So it says Happy Day. It has a little fox on it, really cute. Or I guess it's a bunny actually. Yeah, has a little bunny on it. It's really cute. When you open it, so these are all the little quilting clips, which I've heard a lot about these. I know that the main one I think is like the Wonder Clips is what people really like, but I'm excited to try these as a pin alternative. Sometimes I get worried having a cat that she's going to try to eat the pins, so these seem like a really great option, and I am working on a couple quilts right now, so I think it'll be a great way to test them out. I also love this little case that they came in, so that's fun. And then finally, we have, I think this is really what I kind of wanted this kit for. It's like these little scissors. I've seen a lot of people use them. I would use them with my left hand. Kind of to just cut your threads. I think that these are really small, really cute, so I am excited to use these, and they came in a little plastic pouch. The next item that I ordered was the Sewing Threads Kits 30 colors, 1,000 yards per spool, polyester sewing threads for hand and machine sewing is what it said. So I'm gonna guess that that's what this whole thing is. It includes all these different colors of threads, so we do have 30 different colors. There we go, try not to make it too loud for you. With the plastic, there's 30 different colors, black, white, some of your neutrals, grays. There's also some nice purples, different reds, really just a bunch of different colors. So I think these will work out well. I'll try using them in my sewing machine to see how they work, as well as hand sewing, and I'll give you an update. Next, it did come with a tape measure. It's always good to have an extra tape measure. Got 2 little threaders, which are always really helpful. And then I got another set of these little scissors. I guess these are just like the in scissors right now, like these little clippers. So that you can cut easily. So those are really nice. I'm excited to use them. And I guess I could do a comparison on which one ends up being better. I'm excited for all the different items that I got though, and I will keep you updated on how they turned out. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe.